Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Step by Step to Basics. Today's subject is computer and I'll be giving some examples of logo which I explained in the previous video. So let's start. First, you can see this is my first question, first example. As you can see, it's a square diagram where like 100 steps everywhere. You can see I have to write the code for this one. So let's start. So initially when you will open the logo software, you'll find like the cursor will be at the middle like this. So let's do it. First, you can see it is 100. Every side it is 100 written. So we have to write steps as 100. So let's write the code. So here I am writing the code, and parallelly I will try to explain you also like what is going to happen if I write a particular command. So first I am writing fd 100. So your cursor is like this. Here you can see, imagine like this. This is your cursor, this is the direction, this is left side, this is R means right side. So let's move it 100 steps forward. So I'm using a scale. So we are now 100 steps here. So say now, as you can see, our diagram demands like it should be turned this way. So you can see this is my cursor, means turtle. Right hand side means this side. So R is right. How much? 90 degrees. So it should turn from this to this. So I will write the code is RT 90 means 90 degree. So from here it will turn this way. Okay. So now it turned this way. Then what? Then again move 100 steps. So again I will write FD. This is for forward. FD 100. So again it will move 100 steps like this. So still the face of the cursor turtle is still like this. So now according to my question, it should move this way. So it should move this way. It means initially it is in this position. So right is here, left is that side. So R means it should move this side. So R. So that's why again I will use RT 90. So that it should turn this way. So initially it was like this. Now it will turn this way. Then after turning, it should move 100 steps. So again I will write FD 100. So what will happen now? Again 100 steps. Done. Now you can see the condition of the turtle. Like right is on this side, left is on this side, as I explained in the previous video also. Don't look from your side, think from the turtle side. So if I want, like according to my question, it should move this way now. So it is actually R means right hand side, this way. So this way, this is 90 degree, RT 90. So we will do this one. And then it will just turn this way. Now I need to move it also. So again I need to write FD 100. So if I write FD 100, it will join here. So it will become a square, and every side is 100 steps. So this way we achieve the first examples. Now we will explain, do the second examples also. Okay, the second question, as you can see, we have to draw a triangle like this. It's an equilateral triangle, and you can see the alignment is a bit different. I will solve it in a different example also. Here you can see we have to draw like this, then come this way, and then come this way. Steps are 100. I am making it 100 only. So let's start like how we can do it. So as you can see, our initially cursor or turtle remains here. Then from here it should move forward first. So first it will move forward. So I will write the command here. So FD 100. No issues. The cursor will move first this way. Say 100. So this is say 100. Now what happens? As you can see, it needs to turn this way. So how we will calculate this way? So this is just for calculation. Here it is LNR. So it should turn right side, but if I turn it 90 degree, say if I turn it 90 degree, it will turn like this. So here you can see the angle I am asking for is something different. So initially this is your straight line, this is your 90 degree. If it turns like this, now I want something more than 90 degree. So how much? So if we know like this total is 180 degree, 180 degree, this total is 180 degree. So internally it is 60 degree. So outside it will be, say if I draw a straight line like this from here, so imagine like there is a straight line, it means this is 60 and this much will be how much? This much will be 30. So 90 degree, so I have to bend, there is no doubt, but additionally I have to bend it 30 degree more. So it will be 90 degree plus 30 degree, it will be 120 degree. So what I will write? I will write RT 120. So what it will make? It will turn from this side, the turtle is like this. So it will turn not only 90 degree, more than 90 degree, that will be 120 degree. So it will turn like this. I don't have a compass or a protector to show you actual value, but it will be something like that. So you can see this is 90 degree and I turned it more than 90 degree, so it is 120 degree. So now this is 120 degree. Here also you will find that if I continue this line, so if I place my turtle like this, so you can see 90 degree will be somewhere here. So I have to turn it more than 90 degree, same. So first I need to move it. So FD 100. So FD 100 will bring the turtle here. So FD 100, RT 120, turned but not moved. Then FD 100, now it is here. Now again I have to turn it. How much? So if I turn it 90 degree, it will be here. It will not meet here. So it will be again RT 120. So RT 120 will again bring it here, and obviously after that you have to write FD 100, otherwise it will not come. So this way we can get this value. I think this much is clear for this diagram. So this is an example of equilateral triangle. Later another way also we can draw an equilateral triangle. I will explain it in a different video. Okay, equilateral triangle but in a different direction. As you can see, turtle initially is placed here. Here the turtle is placed and its direction is like top wise, like that direction. So first I need to make a line like this. So you can see initially I need to turn it, but turn it how much? So you can see internal angle is 60 degree. So if I make a 90 degree, then 30 degree I need to turn. So first I will write RT 30. So what it will make? It will turn the turtle not 90 degree but little bit like 30 degree. So 30 degree it will turn. So this turtle will face like this, something like this, little bit. Okay, then what will happen? I will write FD 100. So this line will be drawn, FD 100. Now the turtle is like this. Now if I continue this line, this will be my 90 degree, but you can see I need to make an internal angle of 60 degree. So same in the previous example I have given, like you have to write RT 120 degree, the exterior angle. So that's why same thing, then FD 100. So then it will turn like this. Now it reached here, then again RT 120 and FD 100. So this way your equilateral triangle will be over. So this is the code you have to write. Okay, now we will try to draw this one. Initially your turtle, say, is placed here at the middle and pointing that side. So what code we need to write? So obviously first we will write FD 100. Okay, FD 100. Due to this line is drawn, but here you can see I need to again come back. So for that, what I need to do, I need to write the back command BK 100. So it went this way, FD 100, then again came back and it rests here. Now I need to draw this line. So for that I need to turn it like this. So for this right hand side I will write RT 90. So it will turn this way. Now the turtle is pointing this side. Now again I will write the same two lines, FD 100. So it will draw a line like this. Then again I need to come back to this position. So I will write BK 100. Now the turtle again came back. From here it again came back from this position to again 100 this way, and it is pointing this side. So again I will write RT 90. So it will turn the turtle now this way, so downwards. So now it is pointing downwards, RT 90. Then again FD 100, FD 100. So it will move here. So again I need to bring it back to its original position. So I will write, say, BK 100. So it will come back here. Now again I need to turn it. Now I need to turn it to this side. So again RT 90. So it turned, but it won't move until unless I write the FD command, FD 100. So this will bring the cursor turtle here. So I got this diagram. Now it's up to you. Cursor is here. If you want to again bring it here, it's up to you. Then you can again write back, or you can leave it there also. So this way, this is the code to achieve this one. See, you can turn it from left side also. It is not mandatory that you are using RT. You can start from this way also. I used in this way. So that's why I have written RT. You can write in LT also. No issues. Same code, just instead of RT you have to write LT. Okay, this is the last example. As you can see the diagram, I need to draw something like this. You can have a complex one also. Just I'm trying to show with a simple one. So first, initially the cursor was here, and let's see like how we can start. So first is this way my cursor is. So first I need to turn it to this side, because you can see the line is first drawn in this way. So I need to first turn the turtle this way. The first line should be RT 90. So it will turn the cursor this way. Now as the steps are 100, so I will write FD 100. So what will happen? A line will be drawn like this. Okay, drawn, and the direction of the turtle is this way. Now you can see I need to move this way. So you can see this is L and this is R. So obviously if I turn right, it will be downwards, but if I turn left, it will be upward. So it will be LT. So I am writing LT 90. So it will turn this way. So turn this way, and again if I write FD 100, so it will turn. LT 90 will make the turtle turn this way, and FD 100 will move. So it will be like this way. So now my cursor is turtle is here. Now you can see in this diagram I need to turn this way. So it means not left, right. I need to turn this way. So I will write RT 90. So it will turn this way, not move. FD 100. So this will turn and move 100 steps. So it will be like this. Now here my cursor is turtle is facing this way. Now according to the diagram it should turn this way, downwards. So downward means right. So turn this way. So right, I will write RT 90. It will turn the turtle downwards, but no line will be drawn because FD if I write. So now it is here. So we reach till this point. Now this line needs to be drawn. So you can see if I turn right, it will be in that direction. If I turn left, it will be in that direction. So I need to turn this way. So it is L. Left side I need to turn. So I will write LT 90. So it will turn this way, but not move. Then FD 100. So now you will get this diagram. As you can see, we achieved this one. So FD 100. So this is the, I just try to show with few examples. There can be many examples. So let's finish this video. I hope like you liked my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.